To check your Domino's gift card balance, you can follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have your gift card number and the PIN. If required, you can find the gift card number on the back of the card, and the PIN may be provided with the card or sent to you separately. You can check your Domino's gift card balance online by visiting the Domino's website. Go to the Domino's homepage and click on the Gift Cards tab. Then select Check Gift Card Balance. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN. If required, enter the details and click Submit to view your balance. Alternatively, you can check your gift card balance over the phone by calling the Domino's customer service number. Let the representative know that you want to check your gift card balance and provide them with your gift card number and PIN. They will be able to tell you your current balance. You can also check your gift card balance in person at a Domino's store. Take your gift card to the store and let the staff know that you want to check your balance. They will be able to swipe your card and tell you your current balance. It is always a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any issues when making a purchase. You can also use the Domino's website or mobile app to check your balance and make purchases online. By following these steps, you can easily check your Domino's gift card balance and make the most of your card.